In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get updates from Google Drive via email. If you want to stay on top of file shares, comments, and edits without constantly opening Drive, email updates are the easiest way to keep informed. I'll walk you through the exact path inside Google Drive so you can turn these on in just a minute. Start by opening your web browser and going to google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you use with Drive. In the top right corner of the Google homepage, you'll see the grid-shaped icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. Click that to open the app menu. From the list of Google apps, choose Drive. If you don't see it right away, scroll the menu or select More to reveal additional apps. Once Google Drive opens, look again to the top right of the page for the gear icon. That's where all of your Drive settings live. Click the gear and then select Settings from the dropdown. This opens a panel where you can adjust how Drive behaves for your account. Inside Settings, find and click the Notifications section on the left. This is where you control what kinds of alerts you receive. We're focusing on email, so look for the email area. Here you'll see an option that says something like, Get all updates about Google Drive items via email. Click the checkbox to turn it on. With this enabled, Google will send messages to your account's email address when important activity happens on your Drive content. Things like files shared with you, access requests, new comments, or other updates that help you respond quickly. There's no save button here. Drive applies the change right away. If your inbox ever feels too busy, you can come back to this same spot and uncheck it or fine-tune other notification options. A couple of quick tips to make this work smoothly. Confirm you're using the correct Google account in the top right of the page before you change settings, especially if you juggle personal and work profiles. After enabling the email updates, keep an eye on your inbox and, if necessary, mark the first few messages from Google Drive as not spam so they land in your primary tab. If you collaborate in shared drives or with teams, remember that you'll receive updates based on your access to those items. That's it. You've turned on email updates in Google Drive so you won't miss important activity again. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you want to adjust your notifications.